In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms personnels sujets. But more precisely, we will see il. So, what are les pronoms personnels sujets? Subject pronouns in French are used to replace and represent the subject of a sentence. They vary based on the person, number, singular or plural, and sometimes gender, masculine or feminine. So, this lesson is about il, and the subject pronoun il is translated to he or it in English, depending on the context. So we'll see some examples with il. Il mange du chocolat. Il mange du chocolat. Il travaille dans une banque. Il travaille dans une banque. Il chante sous la douche. Il chante sous la douche. Il vit à Paris. Il vit à Paris.